Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily and very quickly disable red notifications in Facebook Messenger. But don't forget, dear friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under the video and also please write your comments. So, let us get started. Please open up the Messenger application. Then you'll need to go to the menu and then please go to the gear or settings. Next, select privacy and security. From here, please scroll down and find the red notifications section and just click on this button here to turn them off. That's how quick and very easy you can disable red notifications in Facebook Messenger. I really hope you found the video useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments and put your likes. Take care, friends.